beautiful. What I'll do is that I had some indicators I wanted to show my student that, okay, there are some indicators that you can use. So there is one indicator called ATR. But even though in gold, even though you put ATR, which is, it will like, it's average, like trading volume for that range day, ATR, ATR. This is average true range stop loss finder. So you can see it's you can even type that one in. Here we go. Suppose in I'm in GBP USD. No, that's a very good question. At least
I'm taking a note. Stop loss.
Yes. It's ATR short stop loss. I mean, whatever the finder, you can say SL finder. Yeah, stop loss finder.
Finder, yes. What does ATR stand for? Do we know?
It's average range, trading range. Yeah.
Oh, average trading range. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Even you can like search here. It's ATR. It's like a average true range. Sorry, not. I mean, I would say trading range, but it's a true range. True range within that time frame. Yeah, average trading range or true range. Stop loss finder. Like ATR stop. When you click that one in, how to use this was then, suppose if you are looking, I don't know what you're looking into this chart, because if you remember, I will quickly share my screen. In WhatsApp, I was looking to buy this. Remember, I told I am looking to buy.
Yeah, before we go on, I just want to bring this up with the demo account.
Yeah.
There is a very limited number of indicators that I can use. So presumably once I've got the trading account set up and the money's in my account now, so it's there, I'm going to put $5,000 aside and I'm just going to ignore it for a while until I get comfortable with it. But I'll take $200 out and set up the trading account.
Yeah.
So I may need your help doing that, but I'll see how I go.
Yeah. No, I will do it. Definitely, I'll help you. Yeah, absolutely. I'll do it with you together. We'll sit down. If you want to do today, I'm happy to do that as well. If you have created the account from, I can teach you, like, you create the account with what is that called? Black Bull Market. And yes. I think I have already sent the link, and then add the money fund. If you have money sitting in your bank, immediately it will be transferred. I start from 200. Look, it will feel 0.01 lot size. You're not going to increase the lot size, only 0. No gold for now. You're not going to trade gold in that account.
No.
Yeah, no gold. No gold in that account. But I'll quickly give you, like, you will be trading Euro USD. Yes, it's good currency. GBP USD it's still volatile. I still like this. And AUD USD, or you can also find AJ, which is USD JPY, like sorry, AUD JPY. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, so you can really find this. So okay, yesterday was crazy. See what this average true range will teach or give us is, suppose you want to sell from here. See, your stop loss should be right here, so that yeah,
you're on a 30-minute. Actually, I was very pleased yesterday. I said I'm not trading.
Okay.
I had a headache, and I'd actually taken some relaxing tablets, or half a relaxing tablet. I was not trading, but it had hit an all-time high, and I'm looking at it going, that is going to drop. That's my stop loss. That's my entry. I had no idea how far it was going to drop, and it went about 65, 70 pips, I think. And so I was happy because that was the trade in my head.
Wow.
And yeah, it went down about 65, 70, and then it's pretty much back up again. So
yeah. So this was, remember, one of our students who sent UJ, which is USD JPY. He was looking at something like this, and he saw UJ is going to fall, and it boomed like 80 pips in kind of 2 to 3 minutes. Same thing happened here. This is, I think, only the span of 5 minutes. It's like 90 pips down. Yeah, this is the moment we should be able to catch, but unfortunately we're not able to catch all the time. But here, looking at this momentum, then what we can see is probably it is going to fall again. It is going to fall again. So to teach you how to use this ATR. Like this is how, I mean, how much pip is that? I think in 4 hours, 40 pips. Look, it's up to you. There is a way that we can use it, like we calculate our entry and also ATR number, and then we 1.5, it's so 1.5 of our ATR means, suppose this is a true ATR. You look, I haven't used ATR much, that's why, but still I can teach you, like using this ATR can help you to like okay, I'm safe, I know my analysis is correct and market is going to go towards that direction, then it should hit your TP first and then probably go, because if it hits TP first, there's no worries at all, but when it hits stop loss first, then that's the worry that we should avoid. Here, this is the ATR for your short position. If you're taking a short, I think suppose your entry should be, probably you have to wait the market to come high. So that's why you're not going to sell from here. Otherwise, your stop loss will be too high, right? This is the stop loss you should be putting in. So let the market come the highest level, which where it should go is I'm going to just navigate the market. It may not happen exactly. For most probably, market may go here, even bypass this one and come down probably a little bit, and then if it makes something like this kind of rejection, then you'll enter from here, and then you probably come. Having said that, market is still bullish, seriously still bullish. We can't, still bullish, market is really bullish. So it may even break this zone in no time. It probably today it may break, today itself it may break, because AUD JPY is kind of rocketing like it's flying. It's flying. It never is corrected. There is no correction at all. Can you see? Like, I can't see any correction in this currency pair. Oh, sorry.
When you say correction, I mean there was a correction yesterday, but that was that
kind of, yes.
Not so much a correction as a what do you call it? Just when it bounces back a bit.
Yeah, so that was, it's still a correction, then it's still a correction, but it didn't happen for long. Like it should be something like this, it came down here, again bullish, came down here, again bullish, came down here, again bullish. But here, yeah, so but here is like it broke our very strong resistance level, which is very, very strong weekly resistance is broken.
Yeah, that level there hasn't been, they weren't anywhere near it for quite a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, attacked it.
What is that? Okay, sorry, I'll take this one. Okay, so but now look, it has created a new high, and it has also created somehow some kind of resistance again in a weekly chart as well. So our job is to probably let the market go on the top of the mountain, maybe sell a little bit, but I am not looking to sell this currency. Like yesterday was a good fall. That is the good momentum to catch. But look, it's up to you. Whatever you want to do, it's what works best for you. That it may not work best for me. That's why, like, we have to what we have to do is find our own ways of trading. But yes, my answer for you is, like, if your SL is hitting all the time, this is the tool, the ATR, stop loss band. It's called stop loss band. Where should you put your stop loss? Suppose you are buying, your stop loss should be, suppose market should actually come here to buy. Remember that market at least should come here to buy. To buy, how many pips you are going to put? Stop loss, I would say, let's see, 30 pips around. Yeah, I mean, even it will not be 30, 20.
I normally do 10. All right.
Yeah, no, it's too much. 10 is too less then. That's why it will hit. You will never be able to make money if your stop loss is that close, or even suppose even your analysis is right and correct, you will not be able to make, because market will hit your SL first and then go to the direction. That is the psychology behind, like, every trade. Here today, I think, wow, we sold off a little bit, which was good. Looking like we are going to sell off from here. So I would like to let market go here and maybe sell again, having another bullish, engulf candle, something like this. So this is a bullish engulf candle, then a good, nice rejection, because the rejection is happening because we are still bullish. We will see what happens here in this area. Suppose if it's not really breaking through, we may fall again. We may fall again. That's also possibility because of the, I would say quickly. Yes, Dan, please.
My thought on that, and looking, it only fell a little bit. There was a long spike there. But I think it's been rising for so long. The Australian dollar is high. Pound and euro are, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
The US is about 2 levels below Australia. So the US is about 66, Australia is about 8, but they're both on the rise now, I think. And the yen is quite low.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah, where are we? Oh, the Oz has come up one more. And the US has gone down. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Pound is strong. Japan's coming up. Go back there. Was Japan rising?
Oh, no, no, no. Okay. No, no, no. Japan is, yeah, coming
Oh,
up.
Japan's falling. Okay, yeah.
Five. Yeah, 5.
Yeah.
US is also weak. Okay,
Right.
gold is
So
also
it,
falling
it
down.
really it really indicates that it's going to rise a bit more. It would
Yes.
suggest that the Oz dollar will continue to climb for a while before and then I think there's going to be a, a gradual but determined correction at some point
Mm.
when the yen comes back.
Yes. Yeah. So when you see, I mean, look, I don't want to rely on only these ones because this current
Mm.
16 meter, sometimes they fake as well. Like, look, when US is weak, our other currencies should be buying. Let's see, our AUD USD should be buying. Yeah, it's correct. It's buying. Euro USD should be buying. Yeah, not too bad. It's buying, but very slow. GBP USD is supposed to be buying. When you see our AUD, just like any currency, direct major currency, which are directly like there is USD next to it. If USD is weak, they're supposed to be buying, but it doesn't happen all the time. That's why, like, do not always rely on kind of the strength meter, currency
Mm.
interpreter, but as long as a technical is right, so I think I was what I was sharing with you was ATR. Oh, I have to go to the another chart. Here we go. Okay, ATR. If you see this one, yeah, we are buying now for 30 minutes. I think another 30, or this was a very good, this indication was that, okay, we are not letting you sell again. One, look, it may fall down again. Look, this is how you indicate. Look, then if, I don't know if you have, okay, it may go up to here. Okay, looking at that 61 or maybe, yeah. Okay, this is just an indication that how to see the market. It's supposed to sell off from here if it wants to sell off. If it is continue to buy here, it's again creating a new high. Seriously, this is what happens in the market. But in a 30-minute chart, very small chart, 1, 2, 3, third rejection, fourth rejection, we'll see if, so see that this is how you will be able to see, like even in a smaller time frame, what market is doing. Is it creating a higher high or is it creating a lower low? So if it's creating a lower low, I think we should be looking for the selling opportunity. But if it's making higher high, we want to sell, buy from down, always buy from down. So is that clear then, like how to use this ATR, stop loss band?
But you're saying you go 15 pips above or below, 15 pips the other side of the ATR, which
Yes. Like this is like literally you can even just use this line itself. But the question is, where are you selling? Look, I want to sell this one right now. I really want to sell it because according to my analysis, it's supposed to fall down from here because it just came to 61 zone. Yeah, I mean, but you need to see more confirmation, something like a engulf candle, bearish engulf candle, then continuous is happening.
yes.
If not, yeah. So let me quickly.
Well, it's starting to grow. In fact, it might be sitting there. It might be about to happen. Yeah.
Yeah, so just it is sitting like, see, this was the high, this was the low, and we corrected here until 61 zone. Now it's supposed to fall down. See, I mean, it's very clear. You will be sitting in the market and just to make money only for probably from here. Suppose if I sell it, say 20 pips, I'm done. 20 pips, that's easy. That's why in this case, if you're selling from here, your stop loss should be probably you are targeting your stop loss at least, like still put 10 pips, but your target will be probably, I said 20 pips, say 27 pips. Yeah, it's selling. See, I mean, it's already telling market what it's doing. So Supposed to be selling, it was a correction because in smaller time frame we have broken the structure then. So I will remove this one now. Hopefully you get what I mean.
Your engulfing candle coming in.
Yeah, engulf candle is coming. And look, don't wanna paralyze in analyzing. Jump in the market, even you are losing only 7 pips, that's it. So for this one, look, if I go and find out, look, oh my god, this is kind of, oh my god, gold did a good job. I was in sell, I closed so early. My god. Ooh la la, my god, this is a really good fall, very very good fall, but I will be looking to buy again from somewhere here if it gives me some kind of say, signal. Yeah, okay.
Well, it shouldn't go down too far because the Oz dollar is pretty strong.
Yeah.
You're still going to be holding on to Aussie and looking for more profit.
Wow, that drop is very huge drop, my goodness, like this.
That was yesterday. Yeah, that was yesterday, wasn't it?
Wow, that's very nice. Okay, I'm actually in a trade, one of the
That's
trade.
gold, sorry. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so I'm in a trade, you can see. $2,000 is still this one, if you want to see. Very nice. But it's coming up and down, yeah. All right, so we will recap a little bit on so far what have you learned. Yeah, I need to know what have you learned, where I need to focus on your journey, because everyone has a different journey, different learning style and capacity to learn. So
Well,
where
I'll tell you what I've learned, and that might help me understand what I need to know. But there's one thing that I'm not confident with. How do I place the fib when I'm doing a Fibonacci tracement? I'm still not entirely confident with where if I'm doing a sell, I go from top to bottom. If I'm doing a buy,
yeah,
from top. Get that.
yeah. If you're selling
How do you pick the zone? Where do you go from? What's your high and what's your low?
Okay, that's very, very good question. Absolutely, I love it. Okay, so it's up to you. Today's day, we started from high then. Like means today, if you see this is our today's high, I'm going from today's high because I want to find out where market has gone up to and where it could go. So, but if you are looking to sell again, this was today's high and this is today's low. If market will go again to buy, probably it will go up to probably even 61.50. Yeah, so put the.
So that's where it will buy to.
Yeah, it may buy to that number, but remember, it will not happen exactly. Oh, sorry, not that one. It will not happen exactly, but you around that's the zone. That's the zone. And literally market did something here because that was the zone already created here. See, that's the resistance here. It broke that, I mean, it came down from that location and it's falling. I'm in a very small time frame because gold moves very quickly. So it's still okay to analyze in a 15 minutes, 5 minute chart. But having said that, you always need to have the overall directional bias of the market. What it means is, if you don't even know whether market is buying in the higher time frame or lower time frame, you cannot identify even using the Fibonacci. Suppose if I want to buy from here, yes, say this was my high, where market came. Can you see? I mean, this is a very good example for you. Probably it's too much. I'll find another currency for you. Yeah, this is clear, a little bit clear. Suppose I want to buy from here because I was, that was a Saturday, not that one. So, okay, yeah, say Monday morning, 10 o'clock, okay? Suppose I found, okay, there is a bullish engulf candle. I am thinking to buy from here. So if I want to buy, that was the morning, this was the that day low then. I want to go from that day low, even in a smaller time frame, you'll be able to find out the time, 9:30 a.m., even you can see 8 a.m. It's same low. There is not much difference in that, okay? So I'm going to go from that small, that low, and probably if market has already gone to this high, if this high already, okay? So this is like market went up there and came down, means next opportunity to buy was, in this case, market actually did come to 78%. Can you see this one?
Yes.
It came. So it will come. Sometime it will come to 90% as well. And in that case, probably market is going to come down further. So in gold, very, very possible that market will do whatever it wants to do. Yes, please. Yes, please.
Yeah. So what's happening there? You want to put a buy, so you go from your bottom to your top. And it also does show you, all right, before you buy it, so it shows you where it'll come down to. And then that's the point that you buy from, and it'll go back up to. It'll go continuing up from there.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same here. Look, we started to buy from here. Suppose that was another high from that time frame, whatever time frame. Suppose we bought from here, and where market can come and retest. Can you see exactly 78? 78, and again another opportunity to buy. Now we are going to another buy again, because in a small time frame, look, they will be happening, buy and sell both happening. So this is for buy only. I would like to show you for sell again. So for sell, probably if you are thinking market will sell, I'm going to take my Fibonacci. I think your case there is a rainbow color, right? It is from here to here.
Yes.
Yeah, rainbow. I have changed the setting here this little bit. Okay, in this case, look, this case, because market is going to buy continuously, that's why retracement happen 100%. Can you see the retracement when there is a 100% retracement happen? Because market bypass this zone, means we are not going to sell, look for sell position for a little while. So this is also psychology behind taking every trade. That suppose market supposed to
Did a bypass. I'm not sure what you mean.
Okay, yeah, bypass means it crossed this, it broke the structure. Then that's what I mean.
Okay, right. Yeah,
from this point, this is already, there is one candle which is cross this level, which is our structure level, right?
Yes.
It's already broke the structure level, means I'm not going to find any sell position, but actually it did sell from this position to here. Not too bad, 50 pips, not too bad. But there was, I think it was in a afternoon. It was in end of the Asian session, end of our Sydney session. So a lot of volatility. And once the market came, this was the London session again. London session was very good buy. It was yesterday session. London session bought very nicely. So psychologically, what I want to tell you is, I was telling you, suppose if you want to buy some market, I think we did an analysis in the another chart, something like this here. So it should come to buy until here, and it should sell again. Means remember that, oh my God, it will buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. So do not stay in one position in gold. Gold is crazy. It moves really crazy. I was making like, see, I didn't close this trade. I was making 2200 in this one trade. Now it's down to 1500. Means because I should have, my TP is in 20. My TP is in 20. Yes, then.
Can you just move back to the left a little bit? Yeah, now. Go to, where are we? See the three bullish candles, and then you got the bearish candle and the bearish candle with a long wick upwards.
Yeah, you mean this one? Yeah, this one.
No, come back one more to the left, further to the left. Keep going. The three bullish candles.
Yeah, this one.
That long. Yes, there. Go back. No, one, two more.
This one.
No. To the right now. You got 1, 2, 3 bearish.
Okay. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah.
And a bearish and another bearish. You've gone too far. You see your 1, 2, 3 bullish candles there. No, not there. Bullish.
Oh, bullish. Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
No. The three right next to each other. They're 15-minute. If it was 1 hour, it'll be one long candle. So come to the left a little bit.
Okay, left. Yeah.
Bigger, those ones now.
Yeah, okay.
Next to that is a bearish candle to the right. After that, and then after that is one more, a smaller bearish candle, and there's a great big spike. Now I look at that, and that says to me, that's a stop hunt. Was that the banks doing a stop loss hunt there?
This one?
Yeah.
Yes, then. But the question is, where did you enter your trade?
Well, that's the thing. If you've put your stop loss, anywhere up here, you'd be wiped out. But according to what I've been reading,
are you selling that market or buying the market? This one was buying.
I would be selling. Sorry, so my stop loss is above, and that looks like it's that looks like a stop loss hunt to me. Is that what you would say, or would you agree with that? Or
look, in gold, this is it's called liquidity sweep. Yes, that is 100% true. SL, because if you enter here in a even 15 minutes, say 5-minute chart, why market is still buying then, like market is showing that I'm breaking up, I'm breaking this zone up, I'm breaking this zone, I'm breaking, but eventually market is coming down as well, because this is what happens. I totally understand what you mean, because it happens to everyone. That's why risking less is better than risking more. So like right after sweeping the stop loss, it came to 120 pips. Can you see that? 120 pips down. I think the selling decision was very good at this point. But the question is, where did you sell and how far was your stop loss? I mean, if you are selling from here, look, 30 pips, say even keep it this much. I'm going to show you how to trade using this, what is that, broker account. It will give you like how much dollar you are going to lose if you lose the trade, and how much you are going to make if you win the trade. The question is, this is very good example. Yeah, this is a liquidity hunt. I would say liquidity hunt zone. That is also called, what is that called? Like SL hunting zone, whatever you say.
The referred in the book, it's a stop hunt.
Yeah, it's a stop hunt. The 100% stop hunt. So here, look, I was buying. I think yesterday I definitely bought. I also posted in the group that yeah, I'm going to buy it, and it did. My TP hit one done from here, and from again came down. It went up. After that, it just dropped so massively. I think it was when was it? I think it bought a little while in a London session yesterday. After London, say, yeah, for 1 hour, for 45 minutes, it's bought, went and dropped down, and again now from here we are not moving much. Market is struggling then at the moment. Market is really struggling to move bypass this zone. So I think, look, if it crosses this 17 zone, which is 23, 16 to 17 zone, we have to go all the way down. You will sell like a crazy. But this is also created by the bank. Remember that this is created by bank to like trap the buyers. If it will sell, it will trap all the buyers here, and all of the people will put big lot size in buy position. It will hunt the stop loss, bam, and come down like this, melt down like this. That's what it is. That's why there is one way that we can avoid like taking over trading, or like what we can do is like use the tool. SL, I think this is the way that you should look. Our next another selling zone is here. If yeah, I'm going to probably wait for this zone market. If it comes here, I will wait. What I can do is and the reason why it bought from here is that was a buy zone. By the way, it was a buy zone because of this zone. See, this is a bullish single candle. If you know already, this is our buy zone and this is our sell zone. Like you will take a decision based on those zones. You are not going to jump in the middle of the road. I always tell middle of the road is the accident happening zone. So here buy zone, another buy zone. But this time we don't know if it will bypass this one, cross this zone, or from here it will come down. So all we can do is in and out. Do not waste too much time, and whatever profit you make, it bag in. Look,
sorry, but you think if it breaks the was it the 2319, if it breaks that,
yeah, it will look
right down.
It may be a fake break, like this one. This was a fake break. Then remember, this was a fake break. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
And it broke it. I'll quickly show you what I mean by this. Is like, look, 1, 2, 3. Our 65 zone was broken. It went bypass to 68, but a little bit of selling and a little bit of buying and a fake. It was a fake break. But anyways, it made a double top. So you can see
so the banks are just gathering up the retailers' liquidity.
100%, because most of the people are ready to buy because of this engulf candle. See, oh, it should buy. I was anticipating to buy from here, but when I check, look, I will tell you, it was last Friday. I saw in the 2-hour candle, actually, this was not ready yet. This was not happening then. It was okay, 8 o'clock, but I saw this candle. See, like when you, do you know what is the meaning of this candle? You know that, right? It's a hanging man.
That's a hammer, and it talks about a trend reversal when you're near the top.
It
You've got
is, yeah, it is a hanging, it's called hanging man. It's a hammer, yes, but it's called hanging man. It's when it is in the resistance, it's called hanging man. It's a hanging man. But when it is in the when it is in like here, it is a hammer, it is a hammer, it is a hammer. Yeah, it is a hammer, it is a hammer, yeah. But this is a hanging man. But when I saw this, okay, market will sell off huge, but whatever move is happening, it's to trap the buyers. See?
Yeah, you can see again the stop loss hunt there as well at the bottom of that.
Yes, yes, yes. Then now this is, you have to play very safe that.
Yeah.
Okay, suppose if I'm going to buy this, probably buy from here. Safe haven is to buy from here till here. Don't stay like you don't even know whether the market will go here or not. No, you don't even know. At least go to the latest higher high, which is our next zone. This one was safest safe zone. See, but few people, they when they waited for this long, they bought it, probably their stop loss was right there somewhere. And what happened? See, all the stop loss hunted.
Yes.
This was hassle for the sellers because sellers were selling from already from here. See the difference. I would like to tell you, sellers, they already knew this market will sell. They started to sell from here, then sell from here, sell from here, still selling. And I knew market was going to sell, but even the structure was creating, okay, higher high, new higher high created, small higher high, even in a small time frame. And when I saw this candle, okay, this is a fake move market is creating. See that you will play in your mind that it is a trap. It was a trap for the buyers, and it did actually trap immediately when we went. I think it was 12, yeah, until 10 o'clock, our, of course, night time, 12:30, no, not 12:30, sorry, 11:30, yes, 10, and then
so when you say this is a trap for the buyers, I suddenly got a mental image of all these traders sitting in an office and a manager is telling them, no, keep buying for a while, keep buying, and then he'll tell them to sell. So someone is controlling that and saying, okay, let's hit the trap, right, we picked them up, now let's sell. So there's literally that organization happening and someone guiding all those massive banks in their buying and selling. Yeah.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why, like, if you know how this market moves, then you always will be safe. Like, you will not risk more than 2% in your account, and you will win. When market is making a big move, you want to enter that momentum. Not like when market is indecisive, indecision, there is not proper direction is found. Like, for example, there was started to sell off, immediately came up and broke it. This was the moment of, I guarantee what is said right now, that's what I'm seeing here. Market, they put $1 million lot size to sell off themselves. They went up another, they bought themselves, they created the fake move towards the higher high, and they just broke it when the news came. Actually, I would say that was after the news. See, 10:30, 10:30 was the time that boom, because news was positive. Remember that when news was positive, US was very, very strong, and the gold has to sell. And it did actually fell down. It's like 1,000, I don't know how many pips. I mean,
2360.
yeah, I mean, of course, 500 pips, around 500 pips. And after that, yeah, 500 pips.
45, 450.
Yeah, that's correct. Whatever, yeah, this is, you can see, I would say 500 pips. It came down from that to there, like 522. Yes, that's the pip. Anyways, yes, then this is how it works, and it's crazy. Look, not every trade that we place goes in TP, but if you are taking advantage of this group, I don't know, let me quickly go back to our group, which is our live trade. Look, this trade eventually will be paid group. I'm not I'm not doing anything yet because I want people to take advantage of this. Suppose if you are taking some trade, so this was one of the students who did it. Here we go. I'm giving some idea that, okay, I'm going to buy this one. I don't know how many people bought it, but it did buy. I'm not lying it. This actually happened, in live market in front of everyone. So like you can take advantage of that as well. If you saw that what I'm doing, it's a GBP USD, I'm going to buy. So if you read what I'm writing here, look, that can help you. There will be some correction. So what it means, like it will come down and go up again and come down again. So here I think GBP CAD, whatever I did, I was calling this from last couple of weeks, and it did exactly what I told. Yeah, it did.
So you keep your stop loss in place and just let it run.
Yeah, so all you do is set and forget, set and forget. Yeah, so this is the GBP CAD. So Euro USD also did the same. GBP CAD. Okay, this is, oh, look at this. This is what I was anticipating. My whatever you, what an emerging sell. I said that, and after that again, I think yesterday I posted that exactly what happened. But I myself, this was yesterday's trade. I think, yeah, I did buy it, and this was, yeah. See, I mean, whatever I told happened exactly.
Yes.
Exactly the same level. Now it's supposed to buy from here. I think it's buying. I'll quickly go. Even though you cannot analyze the chart yourself, what I want you to do is, oh, what is my market? Okay, market is here. Okay, so here, oh, it's continuously selling. Quickly, GBP CAD. Where is GBP CAD? Okay, okay, this is GBP CAD. Then I would like to show you what I mean by that. I mean,
what
see.
did you call it? Sorry, zero.
Okay, it is now buying. Yeah, it bought yesterday. It's not much happening, not much momentum here, but it's supposed to buy if it doesn't break this zone. So this is the buy zone for me. Currently, this is the buy zone for me. But if it wants to come down, it can't come down like this one. It will melt down. Like go up a little bit. And this one, if I quickly check, okay, this was the, I would say, yeah, it may go up to even this zone or this zone, like say I'm going to draw the line, couple of draw line. Look, eventually you will learn this. All you have to do is spend some time in a chart. You have to start charting. So I'll quickly, not today, I think next, because yes, oh, I will definitely do today because you missed your class yesterday. So what I will do, okay, let me quickly delete this one first. So I'm anticipating if market comes here again should be selling, but sometime market will never come there. Then remember that market will not do what we want market to do. Market will do what it wants to do. So yeah, so here from here probably if it wants to sell off, it let it sell off. We will look for the selling opportunity from here as well. So this was a good selling opportunity. It was yesterday as well. Yeah, to stay. Yeah.
So it seems to me that if it goes up, now you've marked the 50% point. They're saying if it doesn't hit that point, rather than a range, you've given it a point. And if it doesn't hit that point, just let it sell off and don't worry about it because the sell-off won't be particularly good. Is that one of the things that you're getting to?
No.
What I'm saying, if it goes up to the 50%, the yellow dotted line, then the sell-off will be quite lucrative.
That's what
Doesn't go up there. It's just going to faff around and maybe did a little bit of sell.
Yeah, so sometimes it doesn't go like, because that's why I think in the previous class I thought, no, I'm going to teach you right now. So this key level was the zone that, okay, you will draw and look, it did something here. It did something here, means market couldn't break through this zone, means it, that's why it sold off. Even in a 30-minute chart, it just started from today. I was thinking to buy yesterday and actually did the same thing because we are in a buy zone. See, the green zone is a buy zone then.
Yep.
Like green zone is a buy zone. If it comes back again, if it makes some kind of rejection like this, I want to buy again. Means that if it breaks through, of course, I'm not thinking about buy because market is selling for a little while. For a week, you can see market is selling off. Market is selling off from here, but market will not sell off all the time. Remember, this is overall, it's still in a bullish momentum. See, bullish momentum. So I think sell has done for now. Now I'm going to think if I can buy. And that's why from yesterday and today, we are in a ranging mode, we are not thinking to buy or sell, but the zone that you draw are so powerful that they will teach you or they will tell you where the market is going. That's why if I will, what I'll do is I will delete everything for you just to show you. Do you know how to draw the key level? means that support.
Yeah, you see the key levels, particularly of when you get a support which becomes a resistance
Yeah,
or a
yeah, yes, that's definitely very nice. That's like in this case, look, I will draw this key level because from here I don't need to draw this far because I'm right here right now in a daily chart. Look, these key level in a weekly and daily are very powerful, really powerful. And if you know how to draw this, sometime remember the zone means, suppose I would say drone means it could come here, it could come here, or it could come here, because it has to be either way, or sometime it will not even come, but market will do some kind of reaction from that area. Okay. So this is very powerful key level fast, and it did sell from here, did sell from here, did sell from here. So eventually, if we see, I think we have already broken the structure. Yes, in a daily chart, and even though it was buying from here, if you see, use the trend line, whatever, how you want to use the trend line, there are different ways. Sometimes this trend line doesn't touch every corner,
Yeah.
Yeah, doesn't touch. So in this case, it was a, fake break broken out, or you can say it made a inverse head and shoulder.
You use the key levels where possible. Okay.
Yeah,
When you make your trend line. Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, key 1 2 3. So yeah, and then look, it broke it, I couldn't touch it, that's okay. If it can, look, that's how you should be drawing. So next zone would be, if market breaks this level, it should continue to sell. But if it makes some kind of reaction, look, there are many tools that you can use, from trend line, from, like rectangle is some kind of draw the key level, and you have Fibonacci, which is to market up to where market can retrace mean mitigate, mitigate, it's called kind of correction, kind of market will buy, but it will not buy, it will come to sell for a little while, again continue to buy, come
So
to
a retrace really is a small correction.
correction. Exactly. Yeah, sometimes it will do 38%, sometimes 50%, sometimes 61. In this scenario, let's see how much it did. Like this was a like highest in a even daily. Okay, so look, some cases market will not do any correction, market may continue to sell off seriously. But this is a higher time frame. When you go to the smaller time frame, like 30 minutes chart, then you can check it. If you are thinking to sell this market, you should be able to say, this is the high of on last week Wednesday, I go to the lowest level here. Okay, this is how technically we, like say, okay, market should come, but in our case, market will not come to 50 zone, 61 zone. It came around where you can see between our 38 and 23 zone, 38% and 23, and then start to sell off. Yes, 10.
So quick question then, when you set up the Fibonacci, if you're doing a long-term trade, I see you've gone, that's like about a week ago, you said. So if you're looking at a long-term trade,
Yeah, long-term trade, of course.
do
Look,
that,
even though it would be like an intraday trading style, then intraday, even though you go in a 5-minute chart, okay, you want to set for some opportunity. So in a 5-minute chart, what do you think market is doing in a 5-minute chart? Okay, I will quickly probably
5-minute chart, the market's selling.
100%, very good. Okay, so you can see from this high to this low, we are completely selling off. Okay, very good. Okay, so if you want to see another selling opportunity in this current market in a 5-minute chart, a very quick scalping, you still want to use the Fibonacci from high to low. Okay, high to low here. That's high to, we are doing only from, this is today. This was actually not today, it was yesterday midnight, that was high, midnight. Okay, and it came, this is still, this was 3 a.m. in the morning. Yes, but if market won, that was the high and that was the low. But what market is exactly 50%, can you see? I mean, it doesn't work even in, from here, if you have sold off because you saw there is a correction already happened, not much 12 pips down, and still market is struggling, went up again. And even this one, there are different ways of placing an order. That's what I say. I have taught you many methods. So just only focus on one, then only focus on one, otherwise you can't make it. Otherwise, because probably I taught too many things, I should be teaching only one thing. Like what is that is go to the higher time frame. Number one, okay, what does that mean? Go to the higher time frame, what market is doing, what the hell is happening right now. Okay, have a look very clearly. Okay, that's for the swing trader, but even though it's a swing trading style, you need to see the higher time frame. Your trading will be very more accurate, you know. So market is clearly buying. I can see market is clearly buying, but kind of it broke the zone, it broke the structure here. So we are heading downwards now. We don't know how far we will go, but it, see, this was a weekly resistance, it broke up.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, weekly resistance, it broke up and now broke down. Now the confusion could be like, let's go to the daily chart, what is happening here. So in daily chart, look, remember it did broke the our say, suppose this was our you know, say structure, this was a structure, it broke it, so it came down. Now for me is, this is the very strong powerful zone, then I will be taking decision either to buy or sell. But this will be, this market will tell me itself whether it will buy or sell. So to know that, you go to that lower time frame. All right, so we are making some kind of resistance here. Okay, I'll quickly draw this line and say you write down, like, you know, it's like a 4 hour, it's kind of, it's a key level. Key level means kind of support, or whatever you say, support level. It's a support. If it breaks this level, so we are going to sell. Yeah, I mean, write it down, it will help you. And this one you can write it down, suppose, okay, break of structure. This is definitely, we broke the structure here. Right now we broke the structure, like, which was buying pressure is gone to the selling pressure. Now see, buying pressure gone to the selling pressure. And now what I will do here is, okay, should I buy or sell? This will be very confusing, of course. That is why we could, this is not right time that I will be deciding whether to buy or sell, because market is doing nothing here right now. Market is doing nothing. So probably tonight, have a look this currency pair, then GBP CAD, one of the very nice moving currency. Look, this was a correction. I still think if market doesn't break this zone, market will sell, because we are in a kind of buy zone. You know, we are kind of buy zone. I will go to the smaller time frame and check what market is doing. And look, of course, in a 5-15 minute chart, we are selling off and still creating this, you know, even though we are selling off, we haven't made the lower low from here. Market will only sell continuously if we make a lower low from here. Literally, this zone has to be broken. You know, even you can tell this zone has to be broken down to make a new lower low. Means we are looking market to, if market wants to sell off, go here, come down, gone here, come down, probably to go again here. If it wants to continue, it will do like this, then okay. But if he wants to go down, it will do something like this, something like, say, from here go down. Okay, it will break this level, it has to break this level and come down to retest and continue to go down. Yeah, so there is two possibility here, because market is in very indecisive mode, very indecisive mode. Okay. Oh, there is someone in the door, just to wait.
Okay.
Yeah, good. I'm in a meeting. Sorry, I can't talk. Oh my God. Yeah, you know, the donation people, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So tell me, I've written a note here, because obviously the same thing works the other way. It's got to break a key support or key resistance level
Yeah.
to change direction. So it's got to break a key level to change direction.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
That's and it's interesting what, just with a couple of the dots I made, and understanding that the banks actually do attack rather than just go about their own business.
Yes.
It's interesting, and again, with the art of war in mind.
Yeah.
This is a very small version. There are much bigger versions with full of translations and God knows what else. But I tend to find I understand the imagery of the Chinese, the way the Chinese is translated to English. maybe because I grew up in Borneo, there were Chinese and Malays and Indians, so I kind of got it a little bit better. But yeah, again, one of the things in the art of war is, you've got to understand your enemy. And the more I see here, the more I'm beginning to understand who I'm fighting,
We are fighting, yes, we are fighting with the whale shark, and then big people. 100%. I really like the way you explain right now, because then remember, the trading is really made hard because they do not want us to become rich. Look, if you become financially free, if I become financially free, if I help, say, 100,000 people to make thousands of dollars from the market, who is going to lose?
Yeah, the banks.
Banks is going, of course. So that's
I'm not going to borrow money and pay interest.
yeah, see, that's the whole idea here. That's why, look, my main intention here, like, it is made hard naturally so that you will never make money from the market. Look, 95% is the people who enter the market, they lose money. 100% they lose money. Why? Because of the fact that who they are playing with. You said that who are your enemy. My God, that's very powerful, very, very powerful, very powerful. And look, having this right now, in a 3 hours, look, if I go to the smaller time frame, look, keep an eye on this one. Look, if potentially I can see this was a correction for our sell, it should continue. But to confirm, look, let the market go again to the same level or probably this level, and it should sell. Like, if you're selling, try to sell from high. Like, say, I would say, suppose, I'll draw this line for you just to show you. Okay, this one you'll be probably draw. I'll remove this one. Okay, so where is my, hang on. Okay, I'll remove this one just to make a feel. I'll feel this one. So you have something in your eye, say this is a sell zone. Suppose if it sells again, it should sell from here. You have a sell zone from here, because you can see it's kind of engulfed. It has, in a 30-minute chart, you can see it's an engulf candle, because follow through candle is also the red candle. So this is definitely engulf candle. You can see market push through really hard, but sellers back in, and correction and continue, correction continue. But here is the takeaway from this session, then, that look, market is really struggling to move which direction to go. This is creating by the bank itself.
Yeah. Well, it's squeezing around in a very tight range, so it's going to move one way or the other.
Yeah.
Volume to do that. And as you were saying, when London opens
London,
up,
yeah, have a look in London, and all you have to do is please go in a 15 minutes, 5-minute chart and check the candlestick where the heck it's moving towards. I mean, so I would say, okay, this was another sell zone for a small, like, say, yeah, it was a very not too bad, but not that very strong. But even in a smaller time frame, this was a sell. But again, it was another buy zone from here. I mean, even in a smaller time frame, you will see the buy zone, sell zone, buy zone, sell zone. But if you check the higher time frame, that's the beauty. Like, you know the bigger picture. And look, if I sell from here, what I'm going to do, say, I'll quickly go. Okay, this bullish engulf candle is powerful. Yes, it is powerful. It didn't let market to buy for, I mean, it bought it for a little while. If you see, that was a very good buy zone. My another chart, I'll quickly show you another chart. I think this one, oh wow, hang on, not this one. I'll quickly show you. Oops, I need to move this one. Oh, okay, I want to, because I have a couple of currency, chart. Oh no, not this one. Okay, no, I couldn't find it. See, I think we are going to the same level that I told you before. I'm going to go to the gold again. Remember, this was our sell zone. This was our sell zone. Market should come here, or if it doesn't come, it will literally will do something from here, because there is a zone always. There is a slightly zone, like every time created. That's what you have to find out. All you have to do is train your eye. Very, very, how you train your eye will probably you see these key level are so powerful. And I think I got so many requests that can you teach me how to draw a key level? So key level is something that market has done something multiple time in that location. Something, say, came down, made a resistance, came down. I mean, here, I mean, in this case, there is not a clear picture. We can't see much because not much happening here. We are in a consolidation kind of mode. But that was a really good level. And this was another level. This was, you can literally see top and bottom, you don't count it. Key level is you count in between, then in between. This is the key point that no one will teach you in trading industry, because they don't want you to win, especially the banks, because banks most of the time they are taking decision. Why you have to buy from here again? Can you see why? Can you see in the past what happened right here?
Well, it's bought and then sold back down below that mark again. So people are being fooled, and it's done that a couple of times. Well, that was a good buy. There's a couple of good buys there.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Definitely. That's what I look. If this market is really selling, this is our look, another sale zone. That's what I will.
Well, it's ranging, isn't it?
Oh, it is ranging then, but it is still giving us nice peep in gold. You make already 37 pips already given while we are talking. I think I was telling you market should come up now again. It is exactly doing what I told. And market, if does something, remember I gave you some idea that if market wants to sell off, look, this is the zone. I would say sell off around this zone, sell zone. It could come, make some kind of rejection. Let's see, and then we will sell it. I mean, even in a 15 minutes, even you can check in a 5-minute chart. Why not? Looking at this in golf, probably maybe it will continue to buy. We have no idea. That's why you set your stop loss, really, a safe zone, probably only target to lose 2% of the total account in each trade. Then you safe. You are completely safe in the market. Even though you lose, there is some logic behind losing the money. Because if you know you're losing money, but you don't know why, you will never improve. Probably I can see from this is the sell zone for now. See, this is because I'm telling you, because I saw something happening here. Could be one rejection here, market went up, another rejection. Probably now it's a sell zone. That's why, like, you don't want to wait market to go this high, because it will never go. Sometime it will continue to fall from here. See, I'm not lying. Market is telling itself. In some time, it could be the fake move. Market will come a little bit down to trap all the stop, hunt the stop, and then go up again. So
there's something else there that I see, and when you go, like, just move your cursor, come back now. You've got 1, 2, 3 small candles, and then it sells off. Then you've got another couple of short candles. So it's rising a little bit and dropping, and rising almost an equivalent amount and dropping again. So I don't know. Can you look at that over a short period of time and see, okay, it's a pattern at the moment, it's rising. Where are we from there? I can't read the pips, but it's doing short rise, then sell, short rise, then sell. And when you go back through that's 5 minutes, so you're going back a couple of hours, it seems to be a pattern. Now, is that a pattern you can look at and say it's rising this much, dropping off, rising this much, dropping off? Or am I reading too much into it?
So I think you're reading too much, yes, then. Because if like, suppose, look, this, I don't know, I taught you already this pattern. Okay, let me go to the daily chart then. Hopefully you'll be able to see, because this is, okay, this is where we are right now. Okay, I will remove all of this because there's too much drawing there. All right, so this is a daily look. Yesterday, this was on Friday, this was yesterday's, and today. So today we are clearly, where do you see market is going right now? I would like to ask you a couple of questions when you see this in the chart, because if you don't even know what market is doing right now, look, any decision you make based on the candlestick, because every minute there will be red candle, there will be green candle, green and red will be there. So when you see in a bigger picture what market may do, then only you will be able to make a good decision in the market. Otherwise, taking a decision based on the small time frame, 5 minute, even in a candlestick, looking at candlestick, it will not help. You need to have that clear directional bias in your mind that, okay, I am going to sell from this zone because this is a very good zone to sell, because market will probably move down from this zone. See, the difference is like you already clear what you are looking in the market, but when you don't even know, like, are you going to buy or sell in this current market?
Let me have a look there with those you've got your equal triangle there. Just come back to, you're in a daily zone. Go back to that. Right. Now you've got your equal triangle, which means it can go either way. Go back to the one before, and you can see that your demand zone. Now go back to the daily. There we are.
Daily. Yeah.
Before there, you've got it. The trend lines are both going down, but your support trend line is really angling down, which is it's going to sell, which it did. Then it goes into the equal triangles, which can go either way, and she's bought. And you just put the trend line in there that shows now it's selling off. So it should continue to sell, but you know, you've got a couple levels there. From there, it'll sell down to your two white lines, or maybe below that, down to what it won't go. It might go into the 2270s. From where is it now? It's
yeah. No. You getting that right. Very. I'm impressed. Yes, exactly. You can see from this zone we have been selling off. I mean, we are, if you go to the weekly chart, look, it will be very clear if you go and see in a weekly chart. So weekly chart, look, a kind of little bit of mess here, a lot of pictures here, a lot of lines here. What I'll do is I don't want to remove everything, but maybe if I delete like this, oh no, I mean, just remove this one. So what can you see right now? I would like to, it's a weekly chart then.
Right
okay.
Now, that's ranging, and it's getting very, very tight. The ranging is getting very small, which
Yes.
means you've got to make a decision whether it's going to rise or fall. On the short term, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. It's working down for the last 6 weeks. But you go back 12 weeks and it was rising. So I would say my guess is it will, after this one, it will sell off to about where that little, where that hammer is, down about there somewhere. It'll sell off to about 2180, give or take, 2160, 2180.
Yeah. This is 72, I think so. Yeah, I think this is 72 somewhere here. Absolutely, then that's what everyone is still expecting, but we don't know what market may do. Seriously, that's why, like, in gold, I really found easy to make money. Look, you can really become, I mean, I don't want to disclaim here, it's not a disclaimer that you will be very, very rich, but if you know the right way what to do, I mean, you can either buy or sell, but you still can make money. You can either buy or sell, because market is buying as well. See, market is buying as well and selling as well. It sold off in the morning. Now it was buying a little bit. Again, it is selling. But the only question is, remember, if it broke this zone, boom. I mean, don't expect market to come here for at least a couple of weeks, because we are here for weeks. 1 week, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, for 6 weeks we are here in this zone. And remember, when we were buying, we were completely buying like a crazy. From 18, you can even talk about like 1810, literally didn't happen much here. There was kind of consolidation in 2001.
Geez, it was choppy for a couple of months.
Yeah, there was so it was, I believe it was last end of the last year. It was a little bit choppy, but
I do. There's 40 pips in
boom.
it.
Yeah, boom. This
was 400 pips, I'm not sure.
And this was a big, I found a lot of banks, probably, I think the China, and when China, they they bought all the gold and they stopped buying it, and that's why it's selling off. That's what, look, the rumor is that, but I don't know exactly what is the real information, but that's what I can see. What market may do is, if it breaks this zone, it may fall down continuously, but even market is still buying and selling at the same time. So if you go to the smaller time frame, look, oh my god, like, you'll be able to see what exactly is happening here. This was Friday, yes, and this was last week Friday. So these Fridays are most impactful, momentum happening. So I think this was also on, no, this was on Tuesday actually. This was on Tuesday. This was on Monday, actually. Yeah, I think it was on Monday morning, 11 o'clock. From 11 o'clock, it's sold, 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 sold. My God, I was watching it crazy. I made some money here. I made some money in this momentum because it was a really high, made some money. Yeah, it was a 4 hour, of course, I'm in a higher time frame, but this structure is clearly a bearish structure for now. But also remembering this zone then, like 2277, it market hasn't been able to break this zone. It kind of holding that level, right? Holding that strongly. Come on, I'm not going to let you sell from here. Remember how many times? One time market came 89, no, went up, try to break the zone. So this is something you need to be, why market came down from here to, like, this was a stop hunt. Then you were talking about stop hunt. Here we go. That's the liquidity. Whatever we say here, liquidity sweep, bam, and all the, SL was taken, especially buyers SL, and then and gone. So this was a good sell. Every time market is selling, remember the sell momentum is happening quite faster than the buy momentum.
Yes.
Can you see selling is happening faster than buying, but I don't want to say it. Still there is a buy here and there is a buy here as well. And there is a buy here as well. Yeah. Yeah, there is a buy, but it is doing both side. It is doing, every time you see this zone and then this zone, yeah, just get ready. Get ready, like, okay, if market is doing something from here, I'm going to sell. And I already told you in the beginning, like, you already told, this was a SL hunting, trap strategy where market tried to create kind of fake move. And I also, like, remember I sort of told you will be able to see what it means, what this candle means, where market can go, because it was 8 o'clock in the evening time. I was clearly able to see, oh my God, there is something happening. Okay, no, I think it's a 2 hour chart. I think in a 2 hour chart. That's what I told you. Yeah, this one. Yeah. All right. Then hopefully it's making sense. I will go back to our 15-minute chart to show where the market is. It in our sell zone or no? Okay, still it's not in a sell zone yet. But always buy from low, some sell from high. Still right now, if we were able to look, once you have your account ready, then we'll trade together. I will show you how you can make money. There will be some mistakes, obviously, because we are sometimes too quick to take the entry, sometimes too late to take the entry. But quickly sharing with you, like, when you take a right decision at the right time, timing is everything. Here, right now, 113 pips this morning. Suppose you have a 0.01 lot size, you made $13. Okay. And then suppose if you have a say 0.10 lot size, you made $130. But if you had one lot size, you made $1,030, $1,130. See, only in a one
move. You do the 2%, which is what you recommend, you'd be making $260, which isn't a bad trade.
Yeah, this is what it is. Like, I've now in 38 pips, it's above 38 pips. I'm expecting market may come here and again will show some kind of significant kind of reversal pattern. It will show reversal, means market is not letting us to go higher high from there, new high, not making new high. Then we'll take a trade. There will be a lot of traps then, a lot of trap. That's why do not make any decision in between, but safest way to sell is here again. If it doesn't break it, if it makes another kind of liquidity kind of significant indication, okay, we should sell. But now we are in a 15-minute chart. I think there was a kind of rejection in 15-minute chart. Look what is happening now. Market will tell you what to do, but do not take decision. Do not rush. Wait for your place to, like, okay, I will only sell if market does something over here. If you do that, I think you are sticking to your plan. That's why I always tell, make your plan and trade your plan your trade and trade your plan. Otherwise you will be all over the place. You'll make so many emotional decisions that will blow your account, that will kill your peace in mind. You will not be able to sleep properly because you lost money, keep losing money. And I would say one psychology I would also want to tell you, that to remember, the best trader who will be making money from the market are those people who are very strong from their mind. They do not want to break their rule in trading also in life. Means that if you know how to be in discipline in your real life, you will also ultimately become a very disciplined trader. Means only the person who makes trade based on their rule, not based on the emotions, they are the trader that will make more money. Not those like, okay, oh, I can see from here. Look, my case, look, if I don't want to trade while I'm say teaching, but here was a very good indication that I could buy if I had like one lot. Yeah, I think I already closed one of the trade that it was going. I think I made, I already closed. But so this is like, what is market, in front of you, it's happening, right? Then I'm not lying it. I'm not a market maker. I learned through mistakes. I did a lot of mistakes then. I would love to share a little bit of story. Maybe it will inspire you because we have 10 minutes to go. I want to share that I used to be in front of chart to understand what the hell is happening here until 4 5 a.m. in the morning without a sleep. My kids will go to bed, and I was that much crazy. I don't know why. It was, like it was kind of magnet to me. Like I was attached to the market that much. Now I see, market is my god. That's what I see. Market is my god, and it is doing what I want them to do. Even though I am not the perfect trader, of course there are many traders better than me who are making millions of dollars, but I am not here only to impact, like say, have a lot of money, but impact other people's life. Look, imagine if I was not there to teach other people. Look, now I can see a lot of thank you letters from them. Because of your strategy, they are winning 90% and trades and this and that. Oh my God, that makes me like, full of heart. Of course, I would like to do more, something like this. And you should be very proud of yourself that you are in Canada. Imagine if I am teaching face to face to people and you can be part of that crew. That's why I want you to work harder. Now, don't worry about other people, like whatever the problem is happening in life. Now focus on like goal. You want to make money from the market for living first, start to like see some result in your demo account. Okay. As I said, look, if you can't profit in your demo account, most probably you cannot make profit in your real account. And if you cannot change your $100 to say $500, most probably you cannot change your $5,000 to $500,000. I had some student who made $5,000 to $500,000 in. Can you imagine how crazy was that? Like that made me so proud. Like, oh my God, they made it. But eventually, because of the indiscipline, they were not following the rules, overconfidence, they lost money. The way you make money, easy to take money by the market. Like money will be gone so easily if you don't follow. I mean, you have to be humble, be very humble because market can't do anything. Your even strategy will stop out many times. Even though it is winning, it will still stop out. So yeah, that's what I would like to say, like in inspiration for you, that like I'm a mom, and because of my passion, because I don't know why I love the market so much. I don't know, like some people tell me crazy that I literally quit my full-time job, which was highly paid as an academic manager in one of the colleges in Canberra back in 2022 because I was not enjoying. I was still doing this. I was doing all of other businesses, network marketing company, blah, blah, blah. A lot of things were happening. But look, now I am grateful to God that I left my job and I can trade market. And not only that, this is my living now. This is my living. I teach other people to make money as well, and I make money as well. Yeah, this is the beauty that eventually imagine if you can also teach other people. See, imagine that you are making profit and you can show other people you are making profit. Hey, I made $500 today. Do you know how I made it? Of course. And then you will start to teach other people. So put yourself in that place that where you are changing other people's life. Yes, Dan, thank you.
It's interesting you say that because one of the things I have here right beneath, the where do you put your mark for your stop loss and for gold.
Yeah.
You've got this note: when successful, I can help you to sell profit in paradise. So it's something that's in my mind and in my heart as well. So, helping to teach people and helping to sell the product and get people involved. If I can, and that's a long way off yet, because I still have to prove what I can do. But yeah, that's one of the things that lives inside of me, is helping people. And so, what you're talking about is sitting in my mind as well. So yeah, it's a good thing.
Yeah. See, I mean, you can do, I mean, it's not about yourself. You are working hard for other people as well. Imagine that if I was not able to look at the chart until 5 a.m. in the morning, and now at least tell me the very honest feedback that you're learning something, right? Of course, you can see at least I can do something from here. I know there will be some losses. I know there will be some, like we will fall down, we'll get up again. Until and unless we don't give up, there is chance that you are the winner. Remember, market will hit you and beat you so many times, hit you and beat you, and try to crash your emotions, and try to, like, play with your emotions. But if you are sticking with your plan, there is nothing impossible. Okay. Then yeah, so at least I don't know if you learned something from today's session, but I hope everything. Yes, that's good.
And a lot of it too is confirming ideas as well. So you've got something in there, and by listening to what you're saying, things drop into place as well. So between reading the books, and
Come on, then you knew market before I even knew there was forex trading. Euro USD, remember your dad used to trade? I mean,
yeah, that was in the 90s. Yes.
see,
Yeah.
I didn't know that time we could make money from market. No. And one thing I struggled so much in my journey then. Now I don't struggle at all, because I have my own own way of my own style, and I'm completely unique from other people, which is totally fine. And that's why, if you're unique, like your style is unique, accept that, and like embrace and just enhance that style. The way you see the market may not be able to, like, I don't see the market the way you see. We see the market, everyone see the market differently. So my really good encouragement to you is, I think I forgot what I was about to tell, but I think if you know your style, write it down, and you have to follow your style, because your style will be sticking with you forever. But even though I give you my style, probably you'll copy and you'll forget that. You'll copy and forget that. That's why
you learn from it, and you develop and you grow.
Yeah, you need to find out. Look, for me, that's what I say. Like, yeah, okay, come on, crazy girl. This industry is male dominated. If you know or not, male dominated. And I was invited to, like, I was really fascinated when my mom passed away. You have a story. You already know my story. Like, and I once my mom passed away, because I had that desire, like, to, okay, I want to help many people, blah 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 blah. But how can I help other people if I'm already in pain and in trouble?
Yes.
You have to lift yourself beyond that pain, beyond that trouble in your life. Like, you're not thinking that tiny small problem at all. You're lifting yourself so high that people can see you. Oh, you are so high that people will look up to you. Okay, I will go to Dan, and at least I can get some help. See, change your mindset. And look, everything is mindset and mindset. Shift your mind from the trouble to like, okay, this is my blessing, this is my challenge, is making you stronger. Okay, so anyway, this was a kind of lesson, but I wish you good luck. We'll keep working on it. It's happening. Okay, let me
I'll call you during the week. I'll start looking at Black Bull and see if I can set that up. And if I need help, I'll call you during the week, and we'll organize a time. And
absolutely, we'll sit in a Zoom and we'll do it. No problem. I'm available. I want to see you. Oh yes, it's happening. But I will want you to write it down whenever you're trading. What emotion do you go through that trigger mode? Trigger means you don't even know what's happening. It automatically happens in your mind. You need to write it down. I want you to write. I have something in here already. It's my trigger that I need to recognize, okay, while I'm trading, I know what I'm doing. I know market is going in this way, but if I'm taking wrong mistakes, that is one thing that I'm doing that I don't know to do it. You need to write it down. Please write down that as well. It will help you. Okay, then I'll see you next week. Let me know when you need help, okay? For your
Okay, thanks, Dimitri.
bye.